The holidays are a great time to find temporary employment, but there are online scammers more interested in personal information than your work experience. The 8th scam of Christmas, fake holiday and New Year jobs. Amazon was looking for 100,000 holiday workers. Target said it wanted to add 120,000 seasonal employees, so it's not uncommon for businesses to need extra hands around this time of year, but you do need to make sure you're sending your paperwork to one of these actual companies. Scammers are known to say that you are the perfect candidate. They request that sensitive information, which could include your social security number, and then they say they're doing a background search. That's fake.
Identity theft is more than a credit card breach. Identity theft leads to years of you trying to get back your information and somebody out there, running amok with your reputation, your financial reputation, your ability to make good financial decisions in the future.
Yeah, so the best thing to do is to not allow it to happen in the first place. If you want to apply for a job here in the holiday season, do it directly or through the actual company's website. Do not accept a job that sends you money up front to complete a task or one that requires you to pay for supplies or equipment. And don't give any personal information on the phone or online before you meet for an interview. Check out the other 12 scams of Christmas, and we've got some really important ones for you and your family to know, especially the ones that are actually going on and we've seen evidence of in our area. You can visit the newly designed website, wmar2news.com/consumer.